Top headlines for the day.
अभी तो ट्यूबलाइट के फीवर से बाहर भी नहीं निकले कि आ गया उसका फर्स्ट सॉन्ग. Yes, Salman is all gearing up to release his first song titled Sajan Radio Bajale Bajale Zara from the album on May 16th. Recently, Salman Khan announced the song's arrival on social media, and we seriously can't wait for it. This is exciting, है ना? Salman Khan, who is in Abu Dhabi shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai, also revealed that song launch will held at Arabian Center. So, for now, mark your calendar as Tubelight's first song is coming on May 16th. Meanwhile, people are still going gaga over Tubelight's teaser, which became the fastest film to get 400k likes. And it also clocked in 10 million views in just 48 hours. Now that's quite an achievement. Anyway, how excited are you for the song? Do share it by commenting in the section below.
मैं आपको दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि आपने मुझे न्योता दिया. You invited me to come and join in the inauguration of this beautiful artwork by Rubal, and the pleasure has been all mine. इन्होंने एकदम सही कहा. हम रूबल जी को दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं कि हमारे शहर को और ब्यूटिफाई कर रहे हैं, और एज अ मुंबईकर वी आर ओनली too happy to join in this ongoing movement to beautify our city and have these wonderful art installations. And when Rubal is when she's actually explained, it makes such natural sense, I think, to everyone listening, that art is not really just for the exclusive section of society. It has to be enjoyed by all. Art becomes artwork with increased audience appreciation, and I think it's wonderful that together all of them, Poonam ji, Rubal, the BMC, all have actually made it possible that we're having these installations all over the city, and the pleasure was all mine to join in today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Also, the location for me has a personal holds a special place personally, because I've always lived in Bandra until I got married, and Mehboob Studio is right here, where we have done so much of our work in our industry. So this just is.
I hope you're voting.
And she said, and she said the tulip. I mean, she said this is inspired by a tulip, and that just makes perfect sense again, because well, there is a tulip named Aishwarya. So I just discovered that, so thank you. I mean, this pleasure.
I think I have to shift your voting from Jew again to Bandra, so that helps me more.
Yeah, that'll be great. Actually, you talk something about like Bahubali is breaking barriers.
We are here for this today.
Thank you so much.
It's no secret that Shah Rukh Khan loves children. King Khan has always been a doting father to Suhana, Aryan and little Munchkin Abraham. And this time too he did again. But not his kids, but some kids at the hospital in Dubai, and won our hearts. Yes. Well, the Rais actor who is in Dubai recently paid a surprise visit at the Al Jalila Children's Hospital and spent some time with young patients and also inquired about their well-being. A while ago, a fan club of the superstar shared some photos of Shah Rukh Khan interacting with the kids, and we must say we are totally loving these pictures of him entertaining the kids at the hospital. So now we all know Shah Rukh is in Dubai to shoot his second installment of award-winning film Be My Guest, which is a promotional campaign on Dubai tourism with Kabir Khan. Coming back to this picture, aren't these pictures of SRK spending time with kids adorable? What do you think? Do share your thoughts.
S.S. Rajamouli's epic creation Bahubali 2, the conclusion, is shattering and setting new box office records every single day. The film has become the first Indian film to cross 1,000 crores at the box office. While the world and Bollywood could not stop praising about the Prabhas Rana Daggubati starrer, here surprisingly the three leading Khans, Salman, Shah Rukh and Amir, chose to keep mum. Bahubali 2 has beaten the likes of Salman, Amir and Shah Rukh on its first day and is also breaking records that the Khans have set till now. The Khans have not uttered a single word till now, despite its Hindi version being distributed by the celebrated filmmaker Karan Johar. Surprisingly, SRK, who is very close to Kejo, did not tweet about Bahubali 2's success, and this all makes us think that the Khans might be a little jealous or shocked of Bahubali 2, which is churning out huge money despite being a Telugu film. So is Bahubali 2's success making Amir, Salman and Shah Rukh insecure? What do you think? Do comment below. Anyone remotely associated with Salman Khan directly makes headlines. Be it Salman's family, friends or fans, everyone gets a special mention. But this time we are talking about Salman's most trusted aide and the person who has never left Salman's side, his bodyguard Sher Khan. Yes, we have heard a lot about Sher Khan, but now today we are going to tell you his life story and a bit about his salary. Sher, who's known as Gurmeet Singh Jolly, has served Salman Khan for the past 20 years. The no-nonsense bodyguard charges rupees 2 crores per month. Sher was not very keen on studying, so he somehow completed his schooling and became a bodyguard. But wo Salman ka bodyguard kaise bana? Well, Sher first met Salman in 1995 at a party held for Hollywood star Keanu Reeves. It was just a chance meeting which did not materialize into anything at first. However, a freak incident in Salman's life where the crowd spiraled out of control at a show in Chandigarh forced his brother Sohail to look for a new and stronger bodyguard. This is when Sher came into picture, as Sohail was impressed with his physique. For more such trivia, keep watching Bollywood Spy.
S.S. Rajamouli's magnetic film Bahubali 2, the conclusion, is a hurricane at the box office. No, we are not exaggerating. The film has touched the 1000 crore mark with Ellen. And this makes Bahubali 2 the highest grossing film of all times. And yes, with this, fans and trade pundits can't keep their calm. There were comparisons made by fans and critics about why Bollywood can never make a Bahubali. Many spoke about how Bollywood lacks required skills that Team Bahubali had in spades, and seems like actor Rishi Kapoor might just agree with us. Recently, the actor, who usually speaks his mind, took to his Twitter handle and tweeted, "बहुत बलियां चढ़ेंगी फिल्मों की," to match this film's triumph and business. An Indian celebration. Glad I'm part of this business of films. Well, this clearly states that Rishi Kapoor completely agrees with the fans. It also seems Rishi took a perfect dig at Bollywood. What do you think of this? Do tell us in the comment section below.
Bahubali 2, the conclusion, has swept the box office like a tsunami. The film has not only grossed rupees 1000 crores, but has also become the first Indian film to achieve that feat. Must say, S.S. Rajamouli has set a benchmark. We know Bahubali 2 is smashing box office records in all countries, and it looks like the Bahubali storm has taken over Pakistan as well. Yes, well, according to a citizen of Pakistan, the theatres are going houseful and people have to wait in long queues for the tickets. The person took to Twitter and posted 2 pictures from the theatres and captioned it, "Bahubali 2 is super rocking and Pakistan public is liking the film very much. Houseful shows in many cities like Lahore and Karachi." Well, looking at the craze of the film, it seems the Prabhas Rana Daggubati starrer will easily mint rupees 500 crore, and it is expected that the film will touch the rupees 1500 crore mark soon. Seriously, if Rajamouli's film touches that mark, then no one will ever be able to beat it. What do you have to say about this? Do comment below.